How to add pictures in Adobe Illustrator. There are a number of ways we can do that, and one of them being the most obvious, I can just open my folder and drag the picture into my Illustrator project like that. But the thing I don't like about this method is it just pastes the image into its full size onto your canvas. And if that's your canvas, A4, as you can see, it's very big, so you have to zoom out and select it and resize it, and it's a lot more cumbersome in my opinion. So what I like to do instead is I just go up here to File and I click on Place. You can also use Shift Control P on your keyboard. Now I select my image and I can just click and drag, and I can drag it out like this onto the canvas and choose how big it's supposed to be from the get-go. I really prefer this method because it saves a lot of time if you have to do this a lot over and over. You can also select multiple images and you can drag them out like this onto the canvas one by one, and it's a lot more efficient that way in my opinion. So that's how you can add pictures in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.